Hello everyone. Let's discuss how can we solve this code forces problem. Impost or SUS. So this is the code forces problem in today's contest, right? It is running now. So we are given with a string W consisting of lowercase Latin letters is called suspicious if and only if all of the following conditions hold. The letter S appears at least twice, and for every occurrence of the letter U. So it is not like another letter, it is letter S itself and the letter U itself. So S needs to be appeared at least twice. For every occurrence of the letter U, the two nearest occurrences of S are the same number of characters away from the U. So if U is somewhere like in between, so that S to the right and the S to the left should be at the same difference of length. After watching you finish a string task, your friend Aka has gifted you a string R consisting only of letters S and U. You can perform the following operation on R. Choose an index I and set R of I to S. Okay. Determine the number of operations needed to make R suspicious. So suspicious is nothing but S appears twice and the two nearest occurrences of S are the same number of characters away from the U for every U. Now, minimum number of operations to make suspicious, it is always possible to transform R into a suspicious string. Now let us go to the input. So we'll be given with T number of test cases. The description of the test case as follows. Every test case has a string R where R value or the string length will be from 3 to 2 into 10 power 5. It is guaranteed that R of I is S or U. There are no other characters in this input. It is guaranteed that the sum of mod R over all test cases does not exceed 2 into 10 power 5. Output for each test case or output is single integer. Minimum number of operations needed to make R suspicious. Let us take every example and understand how can we solve this problem. Example 1, S U S, right? Now let us take the first U present in the string, this one. The left S is just one distance away, one step away. The right S is also one step away. Do I need to change it? No. So the output will be 0. U, 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 U. Let's just imagine once. I have this U and I don't have any S to the left. And of course, I don't have any S to the right. But even if I make this S, I need some string before this U so that I would have a S somewhere here, but it is not possible. So if I have the first character and the last character U, I'll just change it to S. Now, if you see, wait a second, if you see the first character, I have changed it to S. That's the first thing which I have changed. Now for this U, the left one is S. Now the right one is should also be S. Now for this U, let's wait and see. This U has a S on the left but not on the right. So I'll change the U to S itself and get the output as 3. Now let's take here I have every character as S. There is no need to change as there is no use. So the output will be 0. I'll take U, U, S, U, U, U. Now this U, let's just take here. First let's start from the beginning. This U might have any S even here or even here, but it doesn't have any S on the left. So what I'll do, I'll just change it to S itself. Now let's go to this U. U is having a left S and a right S with the same distance. Now this U have a S on the left, but on the right I don't have. So I'll just change it to S. Only two operations I have done till now. For this U, left S is just beside it right s is, you know, not present. So I'll just change it to s. But if you observe one thing without going to every input, first thing, the first character has been changed. First character and the last character has been changed to s. It should be s. Should be s. Should be s. Why? Because there is, if it is you, there is no s to the left, and for the last character no s to the right. But s u s u s u s and then s. I don't care about what are in the middle, but the first and last character should be s. If you see here, this u is having the left and also the right s. This u left and also the right. This u left and also the right. But you might ask me, u s and then s. This u is having one s to the right, and this u also should have one s to the left with the same distance. Here it is 1, here it should also be 1, and we are not left with any other character. So the only approach is, you know, 1 u 1 s. That's it. First thing, first and last characters should be changed to s, and in the middle, if previous character is s, then the current character should be, I don't care even if it is u or s. If it is, if it is u and the current character is u, then I need to change it to s. But it is s and the current character is u. Okay, there is one distance. Okay, it's okay. Or s and s, no need to change anything. So this is not the thing which I have to search for. If the previous character, if the previous character is u, the current character should be s. So if the previous character is u and current character is also u, then I'll just change it to s and increment the number of the count which I have to return at the last will be incremented. So I'll just take input t, and while t minus minus, I have a string of let's just take the string r. Yes, we they have given r and input string r. Now if first character is u, just make r of 0 is equal to s and increment the count. So I need to initialize the count, right? So int count is equal to 0. And also if last character is nothing but r of n minus 1 is, first character is u, and if the last character is u, r of n minus 1 is changed to s and count will be incremented. Now I'll just go from for I is equal to 1, I is less than n, I plus plus. If the previous character is u, if the previous character is u, r of I minus 1 is equal to u, and r of I is also equal to u, then I'll just change r of I is equal to s and increment the count, and at the last C out count and L. That's how you solve this problem. I have given the code link in the description. Go ahead and check it. Thanks for watching this video.